everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick card using the Besties collection. This one is Olivia. I'm also going to be using Just a Note, Fancy Borders Thin Cuts, and papers from Mix-Ins and Daisy Meadows. Okay, so I've got a piece of Daisy Meadows cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and I've loaded the Just a Note sentiment onto my Misty. I'm going to ink that up with Peacock ink and stamp that down onto this pattern paper for my sentiment. Wasn't sure if the peacock was going to be bold enough, but I think it's going to work. Okay, so we'll get my stamp cleaned up and the Misty out of the way. And now I'm going to bring in some white daisy cardstock and my 2 images that I'm going to stamp out in black ink. So I have Olivia. Make sure she's inked up completely. And I'll stamp her out. And then I'll stamp out the little dog. These stamps are so cute. There are 4 different Besties in the collection, and they all come with thin cut die cuts that coordinate. Okay, so off screen, I'm going to color her in with tri-blend markers, and then I cut her out with the coordinating thin cuts. Okay, so this thin cut is from Fancy Borders, and I have a piece of the mix-in papers cut at 4 inches, and I'm going to cut this so that Olivia can be standing on some grass on the front of the card. So I've got that cut out. And we're ready to start building the card. Okay, so I have a piece of peacock cardstock, and that will be my base. So it will frame the piece of Daisy Meadows patterned paper. And then I'll add that. I'm just putting everything down with Tombow tape runner. Nice and quick. Okay, so I'm going to lay everything out, just make sure I've got an idea of where things are going to go on my card front. And we'll get the grass down with Tombow. And then I'll pop Olivia and the little dog using some thin 3D foam tape. So cute. Okay, so now the Just a Note stamp set comes with smaller sentiments that can be added, and so I want to add the phrase "to let you know I'm thinking of you." So I'm going to stamp this out on mint cardstock, and this is the light side of mint. So I'm cutting about 1/2 inch, and then I'll load my stamp onto my block. I'm going to do a little banner. So I'm going to stamp this also in Peacock. I'm going to leave room so that I can flag out one of the ends. And so I'm going to trim this and then check it, and then trim it again. And we'll just see what we have. So to flag out your end, you just snip in the middle and then take each of your corners to meet that snip. Okay, so that's going to work, and then I'll just get that down. Super cute. Okay, so there's my finished card. These are so much fun. So the Besties are available in my online store in the current catalog, and I will make a list of supplies with links in the description below. I appreciate you watching my video today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.